Hi guys, today I would like to show you how to do some plastic welding. So yeah, I have a little plastic toy that I'm gonna use that the wheel broke off. As you can see, there's some where the crack is actually where it's broken. So for this I'm gonna use the soldering iron. As I said in my previous videos, the soldering iron works better for me for plastic welding. Yeah, I have a small piece of red plastic that I cut off of another plastic thing. And basically what you do is you put your plastic where you want it um, to fill up a crack or where it's broken, and you melt it with your soldering iron on the crack. Make sure that plastic melts into that crack. So put your soldering iron a bit on it so that it will basically melt it to plastics, both the one you put on and the one from whatever you are welding. So it will basically mix the two, and that way it will create a strong weld on the plastic thing that you are welding. So then after that you just smooth it out with your hot iron. um, Make sure that it's blending in, make sure that the plastic you are using is actually um, mixing with the things plastic that you are welding. Otherwise you can just peel it off and it won't help anything. So just make sure about that. um, just gonna put some more on the side again. I'm actually trying to melt it a bit in with the tip of the soldering iron there. And again I try to blend it in with the toys plastic. Just be careful for your eyes and also to inhale the fumes. It's quite strong. It depends on what plastic you are welding. It might also be poisonous. Okay, I just want to smooth it off a bit in the inside there. Then I'm just going over on the whole place that I actually welded to make sure that there's no pieces sticking out and that it is quite smooth. Okay, and then you need to wait a bit so it will cool off and basically set. The plastic will set, and here you can see how the plastic mixed with the toys plastic, and I'd actually um, took away the crack there. And yes guys, this is how you do plastic welding. Please like and subscribe to my videos. If there's anything, ask me. See you guys soon. Thank you for watching. Cheers.